Hi, here I'm going to show you how to replace the Audi A3 CR2032 battery. Okay, the battery is in here. Okay, so first thing, release the key blade. Okay, release the key blade, and then we need to open this the battery cover. Okay, see the slot here. Okay, use the flathead screwdriver. Yeah, just push it up like that, push it up like that. Yeah, that's it. See, here's the CR2032 battery. Okay, see, CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace it, put it in there. Yeah, the spring side go in first, press it down. Okay, press it down, and then line the this angle in first. Yeah, this angle in first. Okay, line it up like that. Okay, and then you press it down. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, this is Audi A3. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.